Okay, then now we'll show you how to activate your updates your missing driver from your PC. Right click on computer, click on what is that one, manage. So here device manager. Okay, so all these are missing drivers and display also. Okay, there are missing drivers. So in Windows 10 you don't need to use a third-party software. Okay, third-party software like driver talent or driver pack solution. So you can just simply updates from the net. You need an internet connection. Okay, you need an internet connection. So what you have to do is that click on this information. Okay, then click on all settings, click on update and security. You want update and security, and click on here checks for updates. So this will check your updates. There are lists for updates. Okay, so you need an internet connection. So you need, as if your internet is very fast, then it will update very fast. So this one, okay, like 2%, 3%, all these things. So you just need to update so that your driver will up to date. Okay, you need to update all this display etc will fix the problem automatically. You just need to update. So here is like waiting for install complete 100%, so like that. Clear? Understand? So that is how to update your missing driver on Windows 10.